Do you need a cool and refreshing dessert on a hot day? If so, then try this frozen margarita pie. This is a pie that you can make pretty quickly with just a few simple ingredients like cream cheese mixed with some frozen margarita mix. In this case, we're using 6 ounces of it. And to that, we add a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Once you get all these ingredients into the bowl, you're going to turn on your mixer and blend them up until they're nice and smooth. Then you're going to spoon in an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. Meanwhile, while this mixes, I invite you to like, subscribe, and get notified. And be sure to comment. We'd love to hear from you. Take that margarita mixture and spoon it into a pie crust and then throw it into the freezer. You're going to want to freeze this thing until it's solid, at least 4 hours. But when it's done, you're going to have a really cool dessert. Thanks for watching and enjoy from Ghost Host Kitchen.